Follow along to make your own set of these counting mittens. You need foam glitter sheets, snowflake stickers, and a pair of scissors. I use my Cricut cutting machine to cut out a mitten shape and the numbers 1 through 8 from white cardstock. You can cut them out by hand, but the machine makes the process easier. I traced the mitten on the back of the foam and cut them out. Add a number to the bottom of each mitten. Have your children place the corresponding number of snowflakes on each mitten. This will help with counting and fine motor skills. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.